And welcome. This morning we're going to take a look at several cases for Litecoin and how it's performing against both the dollar and Bitcoin. Like the rest of the altcoin market, 2021 has proven quite beneficial to Litecoin. Its returns since a September low of almost $39, almost $40, have returned 400% to the present. That is quite the run. However, Litecoin does appear to be pacing behind other cryptocurrencies, and there are questions about whether long-term interest in the asset exists because of this. There are questions as to whether Litecoin will overtake its 2018 highs or even 2017 highs. Should Litecoin continue its current bullish trajectory, we see no reason why it might not retest its $325 resistance that is located quite a bit above where we are near, almost a 35% rise between the two of those, so potentially a good breakout option for folks. However, most of the story here, I think, is told on the Litecoin and Bitcoin chart. So before I switch over, a couple things. As always, nice reminder, these videos do not serve to exist as financial advice. They are financial education, financial entertainment. Like we always say, we enjoy doing technical analysis and we enjoy putting it out there and following up on how our strategies and market analysis performed. We hope that education is valuable to you. And second, let us know, what do you think Litecoin will be in the next couple months? Is it going to continue to increase against the dollar? So, this is the chart with ads, no ads. Ugh, I gotta fix that. Bitcoin seems to be crushing Litecoin on the long-term trend. The current position around 3,500. That's not 3,500 Satoshis, is it? 3,500 Satoshis? Yeah, around 3,500 Satoshis appears to be quite the low and breaking new lows. So very concerning for Litecoin as it continues this long trend line that starts all the way back. I mean, this momentum starts building February 2018. So kind of shocking, like even though Litecoin has performed 400% against the dollar in this strong bull market, this long-term decline against Bitcoin really means that there are a lot of other cryptocurrencies that you may be better off having your money in. I mean, that's not to say that there are not opportunities, of course, with Litecoin. I mean, let's take a look here. Even Litecoin goes on its runs against Bitcoin from time to time. From, let's see, December 2018 to April 2019, 146% return against Bitcoin. Not bad. What about December 19 to February 20? Also not bad, 46% return. And even more recently. So looking at this, you know, it would seem that there are certainly opportunities for sort of shorting Bitcoin against Litecoin. If this trend were to reverse, uh, you know, it could be quite explosive for Litecoin. Because not only will it outperform Bitcoin, but that likely means it's exploding against the dollar. If Litecoin were to retrace some of this 2019 valuation, it's likely that when we go over here, I swear to God, I'm gonna fix the ad thing. If we go over here, I mean, you know, that kind of action might see something like, you know, us going from 100 to 800, maybe even more. So I'm certainly always watching these long trends. Long trends are something that I particularly love because they start to show the opportunity for finding those massive turnarounds. I mean, look at BitTorrent token the other day. Like, you know, I'll just say you got to buy a lot of false bottoms if you want to buy the bottom. Well, and that said, a nice segue into the outro here. Thanks for dropping by on our charts with ads. Gosh, I need to fix the sign-in on this browser. And we appreciate your, especially your comments. You know, folks have been telling us what they think, and mostly been pretty happy with that. Mostly been pretty happy with the analysis that we've shown. We like to keep it simple. We like to keep it sensible, frankly. You know, there's no reason for us to be on the 15-20 minute time frame. You know, if you want that stuff, you know, I'm not the person to look to, and that's all right. But you know, as always, make sure to subscribe and like the video so that you can let YouTube know that we're doing a good job, and they can support us as well. And as always, we hope you have a great rest of your day.